Addition and subtraction. They come last in BODMAS, but they are just as important as everything before them. You already know this part. Addition and subtraction, the final pair. But there is something important most people miss. Addition and subtraction are equal. Neither comes before the other, they share the same priority. So what do you do when both appear? You work from left to right. Whichever comes first, you do that first. Let's look at this. 10 minus 3 plus 2. Start from the left. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Then add. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Now watch what happens if you go the wrong way. If you add first, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then subtract. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Different answer, wrong answer. Order matters. A common mistake. Thinking addition always comes before subtraction. It does not. Left to right decides, every time. So where does this fit in BODMAS? Addition and subtraction come last. After brackets, powers, multiplication, and division. Then, you apply this rule. Let's put it all together. Brackets first. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Multiply. 5 times 4 equals 20. Now left to right. 20 minus 6 equals 14. Then add. 14 plus 1 equals 15. Here is the rule to remember. Addition and subtraction are equal. Neither is more important. When they appear together, work left to right. Simply said, addition and subtraction are equal. Left to right decides the order. Now we bring everything together. Full BODMAS. Step by step.